Have you ever wanted to see what New York City looks like from a boat tour? Well, let's go around the whole thing. This is Magellan,
And this is Greyhound.
where we make videos about epic road trips, kayaking, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. When most people visit New York City, they're usually seeing it up close. The tall skyscrapers, the subways, buskers in parks, billboards in Times Square, eating pizza. Even when you approach it from one of the many bridges, you rarely get the chance to see it all so easily. Other than a helicopter ride, or up one of several observation decks, you just can't beat a boat ride. It's like 40-something bucks for a 2.5-hour guided tour with a company called Circle Line. You'll start at Pier 83 in Hell's Kitchen and go counterclockwise. The new 911 museum in the World Trade Center is an absolute tearjerker. You'll take a brief detour in the New York Harbor to pass Governor's Island, which was used as early as the Revolutionary War by the military, and then the Statue of Liberty. At the time it was built, the Brooklyn Bridge was the longest suspension bridge in the world, and is an experience all in itself to walk across it. It is also the first of 4 bridges connecting Manhattan to Long Island over the East River. Alphabet City gets its name because it has 4 avenues, A, B, C, and D, the only single letter names in the city. Yo, what up, Empire State Building? Midtown is a pretty big area, and this is where you'll find Grand Central, Rockefeller Plaza, Times Square, Broadway. Also known as El Barrio or Spanish Harlem, East Harlem is a must to get some delicious Latino food. This is Harlem. Go get your Duke Ellington on and take the A train. Here we are at the top of Manhattan, and we'll soon make the journey back south along the Hudson River. The GW Bridge, like many other bridges here, is really cool to see when you're not stuck in traffic. Right through those trees is Grant's tomb. Thank you all for watching. Please give a like and subscribe. We'll see you on our next adventure.